Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever been driving and suddenly heard that strange pinging or knocking sound coming from your engine? It's like your car is trying to talk to you, but in a very angry way. Well, today we're diving into the world of engine knock, what it is, what causes it, and most importantly, how you can prevent it. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what's happening inside your engine when that sound appears, but you'll also know the steps to keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Trust me, you'll never look at that knocking sound the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. What exactly is engine knock? All right, let's start simple. Engine knock, also known as detonation or pinging, is that metallic, knocking, or rattling sound you sometimes hear when your engine is running. It happens when the air-fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber ignites unevenly or too early, instead of burning in a smooth, controlled way. Think of it like this. Normally, when the spark plug fires, it sets off a clean, controlled explosion that pushes the piston down, giving your car power. But when knock happens, multiple little explosions occur at the wrong time, creating shock waves that make that knocking noise. And trust me, over time, this can seriously damage your engine. The main causes of engine knock. Now, let's break down the biggest culprits behind engine knock. Number 1, low-octane fuel. This is the most common cause. Engines are designed to run on a specific fuel grade. If your car needs premium fuel, but you pump in regular, the lower octane rating won't resist premature combustion. Result, that dreaded knock. Octane rating basically tells you how resistant fuel is to knocking. The higher the octane, the better it can handle pressure before exploding. Number 2, incorrect air-fuel mixture. If your engine is running too lean, meaning there's too much air and not enough fuel, the combustion process gets hotter. This extra heat increases the chances of detonation and knocking. This can happen because of dirty fuel injectors, vacuum leaks, or even a bad mass airflow sensor. Number 3, carbon deposits. Over time, carbon can build up on the piston heads and cylinder walls. This reduces the space inside the combustion chamber, which increases compression and makes premature combustion more likely. Basically, your engine starts knocking because it's suffocating in its own dirt. Number 4, faulty spark timing. If the spark plug fires too early or too late, it throws off the whole rhythm of combustion. Instead of one clean push, you get chaotic explosions that cause knock. This often happens when the timing belt or ignition system isn't adjusted correctly. Number 5, overheating. Engines that run hotter than normal are more likely to knock. Excessive heat increases the pressure inside the combustion chamber and can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite before it should. Overheating might be due to low coolant, a failing thermostat, or even a weak radiator. Number 6, worn out or wrong spark plugs. Yes, spark plugs matter. If you're using the wrong heat range or your plugs are worn, they can create hotspots that trigger pre-ignition. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Why engine knock is dangerous? Now, you might be thinking, okay, it's just a sound. What's the big deal? Here's the thing. Engine knock isn't just noise. It's a warning sign that your engine is under stress. Left unchecked, it can lead to damaged pistons, cracked cylinder walls, blown head gaskets, and in the worst case, complete engine failure. In short, ignore the knock, and you might as well start saving for a new engine. How to prevent engine knock. All right, here's the good news. You can prevent engine knock if you know what to do. 1, use the right fuel. Always stick to the recommended octane level for your car. If your car requires premium, don't cheap out. It'll cost more in the long run. 2, keep your engine clean. Use quality fuel and occasional fuel system cleaners to reduce carbon buildup. 3, check your cooling system. Make sure your coolant levels are good, your thermostat is working, and your radiator is in top shape. 4, maintain your spark plugs. Use the correct plugs for your engine and replace them at the right intervals. 5, fix air-fuel issues quickly. If you notice rough idling, hesitation, or poor fuel economy, get your fuel injectors and sensors checked. Quick tips for longevity. Let me give you some bonus tips to keep your engine knock-free. Number 1, avoid lugging your engine. Don't drive at low RPM and high gear. Number 2, don't overload your car. It stresses the engine. Number 3, warm up your car properly before pushing it hard. Number 4, stay on top of regular maintenance. Oil changes, filters, and tune-ups all help. So there you have it. Engine knock might sound like a small problem, but it's really your car's way of begging for help. From low-octane fuel to overheating and dirty spark plugs, there are many causes, but the key is catching it early and preventing it before it turns into a big repair bill. Next time you hear that strange pinging or rattling under the hood, don't ignore it. Listen to your car. It's telling you something important. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more clear and exciting breakdowns on everything mechanics, and share this video with anyone who loves cars as much as you do. Until next time, keep your engines healthy and your rides smooth.